Tensile testing measures the yield strength, ultimate tensile strength, and elongation of a material to failure. The test can be performed on either flat-rolled product or bar product, which is shown here. The sample specimen is secured on both ends and stretched. The readings of the tensile test are depicted in a stress-strain diagram, a chart that graphically displays the relationship between the amount of force applied to the specimen and the elongation it experienced. With increasing stress, the test specimen begins to elongate, and the stress-strain diagram depicts the elongation as a linear path. Once the graph departs from linearity, the specimen has experienced permanent elongation. This is referred to as the yield strength of the material. With increasing stress, the elongation continues until the specimen reaches the peak trajectory, which is the material's ultimate tensile strength. At this point, a visual neck starts to form on the test specimen, and the graph continues downward until the sample fractures. When the fractured sample specimen is compared to a specimen of the original dimensions, the amount of elongation can be recorded. This comparison is also an indication of the material's ductility.